Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be adding snow to various parts of the layout. Starting with the back of the layout. This is going to be a temporary setup. I'll be temporarily adding snow and here it actually is. This is the snow I'll be using. So this is basically how to add snow to a layout. So I'll be starting with the fire station. All you really want to do is just sprinkle it and spray it. It's just a thin layer of snow. I'm just doing regular snow after it had just snowed. I'll also be doing part of a street. Like that. And I'll be temporarily having to snow throughout the layout. So I'll just sprinkle it. In places like